and next one is that am, is or are, and next one is what happened, the past participle. So what will happen? So this one is that the auxiliary verb, and next one is the past participle form, and last one is that by plus subject. It may be what? By the people, by the human being, so anyone. So in that sentence, if we consider that this is the object, then the am, is or are, and next one the past participle form, and next one is the object. This one is object 2, this one is object 2, and this one is object 1, and next one is subject by plus subject. So subject, it may be the people, human being, etc., or somebody, someone. So if this is what is the name of this tense? Active voice or passive voice?
এটা প্যাসিভ আছে
So this is the passive voice. In the passive voice there are many tense, 12 tense. So what is the name of the tense?
স্যার এটা হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট
Good. So this is the present, P for present, I for
Indefinite,
indefinite,
T for tense. CIT.
So present indefinite tense and the passive form. So this is the right answer. So in the example, this is not given, or it may be in the box. This is given in the box, option A, B, C in this box. So then what will happen? So if we make it that the active voice, what is the Bangla of this sentence? So in the passive voice, generally we can see that in the Bangla voice. So in these things, control is considered a great power. Okay?
মুখস্থ করছি তাই
This one is subject, this one is adverb, or we can say extra, and next one is here given act. So you have to use what? So acts. So this is the subject, and next one is the verb, present form of the verb. The subject is third person singular number. What is third person? He, she, it, and one noun. So these are the third person singular number. Okay? What is singular? For example, one board, this is singular. Two boards,
This is
plural.
plural.
So you know that.
হ্যাঁ I know that.
And one noun, anytime. So for example, your name, Mahi. This is the noun.
person.
Okay. And marker. This is the noun. The types of noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. You know about it. It's also present indefinite tense.
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমি
So
টেন্সটা
in the
ভালো করি।
passage right of the verb, generally it is common in the same tense. If the sentence is starting with the present tense,
The
so
left
most of
for
the
the
sentences are in the
present
present tense. If the sentence is starting with the past tense, it will most of the part or most of the filling the gaps are in the past tense. Okay, the present form of the verb, and yes or yes. Yes sometimes, yes sometimes, IES. Just desires damage the purity. So first one is wishes, and next one is what? And damages desires. Okay, this is the subject. Look, wishes, desires, this is the subject, and damages is the present form of the verb. So what will happen? Subject is singular number, third person plural number. For this reason we cannot use yes or yes or IES in the verb. So subject, verb, and next one is object. So the sentence is completed. But another part is that purity, purity of mind, maybe. Mind is enough? Purity of mind?
স্যার বলে আপনার কাছে দেখতে
Acha,
পাচ্ছি
mind. Of heart. You see here. So heart and mind. Okay. So Theseus desires subject plural number, third person plural number, and damages. So no need to yes or yes. Next one the purity. This is the object. And next one is, this part is prepositional phrase. This is the finite verb, the main verb.
Damage main verb.
But this one is, so what is non-finite verb? In the sentence, only one is finite verb. Finite verb, it may
একটাই
be
থাকে একটা
principal. You're right.
sentence-এ।
So this one is finite verb. That is main verb or principal verb. So we cannot minus this verb.